to Paper Flowers by Amburoja. In this little tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own file to make a fringe for your paper flower centers using Cricut Design Space. So as you can see, I am already in the Cricut Design Space, and what I want to I'm going to go to Images, and I'm going to choose Line. Insert image. At this point, this line is a score line, as you can see. To change it, you simply have to go here and choose cut. Now this is a cut line. And here is the size of your line. I'm going to resize it to 4 inches. And because mostly I'm using letter size cardstock, I'm going to create the file suitable for the letter size cardstock. If you are using 12 by 12, it's up to you. The procedure is the same. So what we want to do, we want to duplicate this line many times. Okay, some more. All right, so I want to select all, and I want to center vertically. Okay, let's move it here. And I also, now the space between my cuts is quite big, so I want to make it smaller. I want to duplicate the whole thing again. And I want to move it right in between. I'm gonna select, okay, let's see first. So the width of my fringe has to be 11 inches. So right now the whole thing is 8 something. So I want to add up a little bit. So about 2 inches. I'm gonna select this portion, duplicate again, and put it here. I'm going to select again, and I will go and center vertically, and I will distribute horizontally to make sure the space between my cuts are equal. Okay, so the whole thing is now almost 10, which is fine for me. And kind of to keep these lines together, I want to go here and attach. Here we are. Now this is one big piece. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Shapes and create a square. I want to open this lock up because I want to create a rectangle instead of the square. And here I would love my width to be probably, let's do 10.5. All right, and I want my height to be just an inch higher than this one, the fringe. So if I have 4, then probably I want my rectangle to be 5. Okay, so I can send this rectangle to the back. I go arrange, send to back, and now I can see my fringe through. So I'm gonna center it this way, and probably I would like to select all again, and I want to attach. Now you have the ready to make fringe, which is going to be 5 inches by 5. So let's see how it's gonna look. I can choose here letter size. So this is what your fringe is gonna look like when you cut it. Cut your fringe and you're happy with the result, you can save the projects and you can create multiple ones. As you can see, I have different fringes in my project in my Cricut design space. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any suggestions or want to share some experience of yours, I will be very grateful for that. Hope you have a nice day and enjoy your craft making. Thank you.